I hope you guys celebrated your Valentine's Day. Well, I'm just not getting enough of these red roses because I love the smell of red roses so much. Well, I do have my perfume, my favorite perfume. So this is my day look. I'm just about to go out for Valentine's, and you will also see my night look. So I have to apply the perfume and I have to go out. But before I go out for the day, I wanted to let you know some things because by the time this video will be released, a lot of you, oh my god, okay, let me leave it. By the time this video will be released, a lot of you girls will get to know whether a guy really likes you or not. Because listen, women, a guy, let me apply it also on this while talking to you guys. So I'm applying it. It's my favorite perfume on Guerlain. Get it from a guy who really loves you. So if in Valentine's Day a single hot lady doesn't get any gifts, your man doesn't love you. Okay? The man you are dating, the man you are seeing right now, he did not give you any gift on Valentine's Day, any flowers, any gift, any perfume, whatever wish list you might have shared him or not even shared him, but you are dating this guy from 1 week or 2 week or whatsoever. If the guy has not gifted you anything on the Valentine's Day, you are not his priority. He doesn't love you. There might be two, three things. Number one, he's very cheap. On that case, I don't recommend you dating this man. Number two, he's stuck with his past, whatever. Number three, he already has another girlfriend and he's spending his Valentine's Day with that girlfriend. So if you as a single hot lady, or you, I'm not talking about married people, and I say you are single unless married for a reason, whomever you are dating, if you are not getting any gifts from a man on Valentine's Day, if he's not taking you out on Valentine's Day, he has not booked any restaurant for you to take you out on a date, this guy does not love you. Move on, block, delete, move on. And I can assure you, for one guy who doesn't know your value, there are other men who really know your value and who really want to treat you right. So just go out for the day, enjoy your Valentine's Day. If you have not get any gifts, don't worry, you are not even disappointed. Just like couples who are together but they are not gifting each other anything, I mean, it's better than being a single lady. Go out alone by yourself, have a nice drink outside, go out, have a nice coffee outside, who cares, just look your best, girls. Go out, do not ruin your day for nobody, because this is for you. Before you love anybody else, you need to love yourself, ladies. So I don't care if anybody loves you or not. The man is not the priority anyways. As a woman, you are the prize and you should be the priority anyways. So if a man has not gifted you anything, you know where you stand in his life. You are not the priority. And because let me tell you one thing honestly, girls, everybody knows it's Valentine's Day. Every man knows it, and every man who really loves his woman, he is gonna take her out. He's gonna gift her something, at least nice bouquet of flowers, at least some perfume, at least something. Okay, so if a man hasn't given you anything on Valentine's Day, it's a problem because you are with the wrong man. And I want my ladies to do best in their life, because this is just one life we have got, and I want my ladies to do the best because you deserve the best. You are not gonna settle for the less. You are not gonna ask this man why he did not give you gifts or whatever. This is Valentine's Day. If he is not dying, he better give you gifts. And if he is not on the deathbed, he better give you gifts. If he is claiming to be your boyfriend, or if he is claiming that he really wants you, or he really wants to see you, whatever. If you are expecting from a guy gift and he's not giving you gift, especially on the Valentine's Day, not taking you out on a date on the Valentine's Day, I am sorry. Unless you married, this guy doesn't love you. This guy doesn't love you, ladies. So I don't want my single hot ladies to be sad just because a guy could not gift them, red roses or any perfumes or whatever. Like, now, let me put it somewhere else. By the way, this is my day look. I will anyways pull out some reels for you guys to show you my new look, this daytime look. But I just wanted to tell you girls that if a guy is not gifting you on Valentine's Day, it's a problem, girls. Please get rid of this guy quick. He's not the right guy for you. And I know a lot of ladies are stuck with the wrong people, with the wrong men in their lives. Please do not do that. Life is just one. Do not waste it on a man who cannot treat you right. So what you can do, dress your best like I'm dressing right now. I don't care if if nobody takes me out, I'm gonna take myself out because I love myself enough. And I know along the way someone is gonna come to me, right? Wait, so you should go out all by yourself. If you are not feeling right today, it's fine. Go out on another day, but please look your best, work on your self-esteem, work on yourself, ladies, because there are a lot of men who really want a girl like you. Everybody is special in their own way. So there are a lot of men who really wanna courtship you. There are a lot of men out there who are looking for nice women also. And I don't teach women to be nice because nice girls finish last. I teach women gameplay because I want my women to get the best, because it will ultimately be a win-win situation for both the party. Because if you are smart, obviously you are gonna get somebody who is there for you. So it's a win-win situation for both of you guys, men and the women. And as I said, only date providers. So there are women who are getting gifts as cars. So you better get some nice gifts, girls. And then that means it's a wrong choice. And you need to change the guy. You need to change the guy. If the guy has not made you feel special, gifting you gifts, flowers, something, at least something, if he didn't make your Valentine's Day special, in fact, he ruined your Valentine's Day, let me tell you, girls, this guy does not love you. I'm sorry to break the bubble. This guy does not love you, and you need to move on, and you need to move on for your betterment. And I can assure you, you will meet a better guy down the line. It might take some time, but you will meet a guy who will treat you the way you want to be treated, who will treat you nice. Now, that's why we need flowers as a woman. If a guy is watching, just know that we love flowers, because every time we step out of the house, we just want to smell these red roses. Oh my god, the fresh red roses smell is all it takes to make my morning so well. I will keep doing it, but I have to go out also. So I'll show you my night dress also, but do not be ashamed of going out by yourself, my ladies, especially my single hot ladies. You are at your prime right now, and you need to select a man who can do things for you. And before even selecting a man, before even selecting a man, I want you guys to work on yourself, to work on your self-esteem, because no one is coming to make you happy. Okay, you gotta know how to get happy by yourself. You need to focus on your hobbies, you need to focus on doing something nice for you. And by the way, world is not just celebrating Valentine's Day, the world was also celebrating Galentine's Day. Galentine's means for your girlies, to support your girls. And when one woman supports other women, like how I'm supporting you guys, so happy Galentine's Day as well, my ladies. Other than happy Valentine's Day, of course, for the couples, for the lovebirds out there, as a man, please make your girl feel special. Otherwise, she will overthink a lot of things and she might break up with you. Take it from me, she might break up with you. If you're not giving me gifts and you claim to be my boyfriend, next day I'll have another boy. I'll replace you with someone very nice and a better man with more money, okay? And do not date brokies. As I always say, do not date brokies. Look your best. Go out, have fun, meet new people. There might be a guy around the corner who just lurking on you, who just wants to take you out on a date. So talk to them, talk to new men who really wants to gift you or whatever. But also work on your self-esteem. Just because someone could not give you gifts and world is celebrating Valentine's Day doesn't mean you have to sit at home and cry and waste your rest of the day. You need to work on yourself. Still look pretty. Still go for your skincare routine. Still do your regular routine jobs. Still also focus on your self-esteem. A lot of you women, I know, you place your happiness on a man, whereas your real happiness, man should be just an extension of your life, a part of your life, not your life. You still gotta live your life the best way you want to live, because there is a lot of things other than a man in your life, right, ladies? So look your best, go out, meet new people, try new restaurants, try new cuisines, try new cafes. In fact, if you are really bored, you don't know what to do today, just get yourself up, look pretty, Either go to the salon, do something, some nice skincare routines. I have also posted skincare routine videos also to make my girls look extra good on Valentine's Day. But not just on Valentine's Day. Take yourself out and do not be afraid of going out alone. A lot of the times I have seen unexpected, amazing people when I was alone. That's why most of the time I hang out alone, because I always end up with meeting new people, and sometimes those new people are better than the people who have treated you wrong in the past. So I assure you, you need to trust yourself, ladies, and time is just running out. Do not wait for anybody. If someone doesn't want to make you feel nice on your Valentine's Day, this guy is clearly not for you. This guy is not the one for you. Okay, Valentine's Day is the ultimate day for your decision and should be the ultimate day for your decision. If the guy is not giving you gifts, if the guy is not taking you out on a date, if the guy has not the one you want, if the guy has not sent any red roses or anything, he doesn't love you, sis. He doesn't love you. Take it from me. He doesn't love you. Nobody can be that straight to you, but I have to be, because I want your betterment. And you don't have to cry just because someone could not see your worth as a lady. As a lady, you are still the prize. Okay, go to your mirror. See yourself in the mirror. Instead of self-doubting, tell yourself, I am amazing. I look beautiful. I am working on myself. I will continue to work on myself, on my self-esteem. I will be the best version of me every single day. I'll try to improve something. I don't want my girls to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. Okay, girls? But I want to be the best version of myself. And every time, every day is a new day. So I will show up in places where I want to go. I will go where I want to go. Okay? And slowly and steadily, you will realize there will be always someone who wants you. There is always someone who wants to treat you right. You just need to have some patience. And instead of being with the wrong man, I would rather prefer myself to be single and wait for the right guy who know how to treat me right. So that's why, if your Valentine Day is messed up and you are feeling alone on Valentine's Day, you're not alone. I'm with you. Don't worry. I will still post my videos. In fact, my ladies, single hot ladies out there, this is the biggest opportunity. No means new opportunity, girls. If a guy hasn't given you anything, he clearly showed you he's not for you. He's giving you permission to cheat on him. He's literally giving you permission to go out and meet other men on the side. He's literally giving you permission. You know what? I don't care about you. So you can go out, you can meet other men, and you should meet other men, okay? You should meet other men. Go out, meet other men, and if someone, may the best man win, as I always say, if someone really treats you nice for a long, long period of time, you got your man. Instead of changing your Mr. Idiot or Mr. Wrong to Mr. Right, I would rather tell you to go out alone, meet new people, and get your Mr. Right. Okay, you don't have to cry. Oh my god. Okay, you can still cry. Oh my god, my relationship is, sinking, but that is a dead end. That is a dead relationship. You have dragged this relationship for so long. The man was continuously cheating on you. So it's actually good for you that he didn't give you any gift to make you realize your worth, that you deserve so much better. Do not settle for less. I have seen a lot of women settling for less. Please, women, do not settle for less. You will cry for the rest of your life. Even if you get married to these wrong men, have you seen those women struggling for divorce? Going to the lawyers, there is a lot of chaos for getting the divorce. It's even better. You understood the game before ruining your life. You are still not married to this man. If you are not married, you are technically single. As I always say, I don't believe in relationships. I don't believe in commitment. I'm single unless married. You really want me, you have to make me your wife. Otherwise, I'm single, I'm available to date. You can date multiple men on the side, and dating does not mean sleeping. If someone thinks dating means sleeping with other men, then that's your interpretation. That's not what I teach you, and that's not what I teach my ladies. So I teach my ladies to date as many as men as possible, and may the best man win. Do not sleep with nobody. You can go out on dates with men. You can talk to them on calls. but may the best guy win. So I have to rush in, I have to go out, but I just want to give a lot of love to my single ladies. Happy Valentine's Day also, and happy Valentine's Day also. Okay, bye bye.